So here we have a 2015 EZGO TXT gas. I have it inside right now with the lights out just so you can see. It does have the underbody light kit on it. As you can see it dancing around underneath there. Very, very cool. Those do change colors as well. But just an awesome effect for your cart. And especially on this one, this is like I said, a very, very good looking cart. It's a 2015 EZGO TXT gas. I'm gonna hop on, pull it outside here so we can get a little bit better video for you all. That way you can see just how pretty it is. Like I said, it's 2015 EZGO TXT gas. Does have the 6-inch Jake's long travel lift kit on it. It is dark gray with a silver ghost flame on it. Does have the side step bars on it, Nerf bars, and it does also have fender flares. Like I said, it does have the Jake 6-inch long travel lift kit on it with the chrome brush guard. It does have 14-inch black and silver wheels with a 23 by 10 by 14 BLX AT all-terrain tire on it. I'll come around to the passenger side here. We do have the USB ports on it. As you can see, we got the dual USBs there. Come back to the back. It does have the rear seat on it, so it's a 4-passenger. And then you can flip this rear seat down into a cargo area, flip it back up. Now you have your 4-passenger seating capacity. Again, does have the street legal kit with it, so it's going to come with a windshield and a 5-panel mirror. Does have turn signals, 4-way flashers, LED headlights, LED taillights, brake lights, lighted rear license plate bracket. So that's our base street legal package. Very, very cool looking cart. Stop in here, 883 North Washington Street here in Van Wert, or call 419-238-2732 and give this one a ride. Very, very awesome cart. So stop out and see us.